guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be doing a little Boxycharm unboxing for the month of August. So I recently did a July unboxing for Boxycharm, which was my first one ever. So I hope you check that out as well. I will have it linked down below in the description and also somewhere on the screen for you guys to click on. So I hope you're having a beautiful day or night, and let's get started on with the video. Okay, so the box looks like this. I'm going to do a little close-up of every single product so you guys can see it. So the first thing that I'm going to talk about is this little, what is this? Let's see. It is an IAN Inspiring Definer Brow Pencil. So I'm going to open this. It says that it is certified cruelty-free, it is paraben-free, waterproof, and vegan. That sounds incredible. I'm so excited. The one that I got recently is just from like a drugstore. It looks kind of like matte. I don't know if you can tell, but it's very kind of matte looking, like the packaging of it. So I really like that. I feel like it's super cute. I believe this is like a standard brown color, but we'll have to see. I don't think I've ever tried this brand. So this is the brand Real Her, for in case I haven't mentioned that yet. So that was the first product. The second product that I'm grabbing is a Too Faced, oh my gosh. Okay, this is the Too Faced Born This Way Super Coverage Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. That was a mouthful. I'm so excited for this, you guys. Like, I have never had this, and I've seen this so much. I see this a lot, you guys. Like, I see this so much, like the Born This Way. Too Faced is just kind of like a standard thing that I hear a lot in like makeup videos and such. So I'm super excited to try this. I like this little packaging right here. Well, the box is super cute too, because it's got like this gold and like pink color, which I think is super cute. This is the shade Shortbread, I believe is what it is. It says Shortbread, so I'm assuming that's kind of like the shade color. So I'm hoping that this is my shade, but I really like the packaging. I currently am using a concealer that I've been using for so long, and I love having this because you can really like apply it like that instead of using like a brush or something. I feel like this is super like easy. So I'm super excited to try this. I definitely feel like I'm gonna be doing a full-on like makeup little video with you guys with all the products that I've been getting recently. So I'm excited to try this. Okay, the next thing that I grabbed is the Hydra Glow Sleep Serum. So this is a triple action hyaluronic acid for all skin types. I've never had a sleep serum, so I'm really curious about this. I've never even been like inclined to get one. It smells really good though. I really like how it looks. I think it's super cute. It's got this little pink and black. I really appreciate packages, if you couldn't tell, like the packaging designs or like the boxes and everything. I just really appreciate packaging because I love like design related things, and packaging is just like so pretty. But it does say that it is vegan friendly and sustainably sourced. We'll see how I like this. I'll definitely let you guys know about this. Okay, so we have two more things. So the next one is a little Velvet Lip Perfector. This is by the brand Clarence Paris. So this is what the box looks like. It's kind of like got like pinks on the side, or red I guess on the side like that, and then it's got like white. It says that it cares for your skin, it is plant enriched, and it is hydrating for your lips. So let's see how this is. I'm super kind of scared of like bright colors on my lips because I feel like that's not necessarily kind of like what might look best, at least for me. So I tend to go for like nude lip colors and like colors that are kind of like less bright. So I actually really like the packaging. This is super pretty. If this is the color of the lipstick or lip situation that we're grabbing right now, I feel like this is really cute. So this is called the Velvet Lip Perfector. It's got this little fuzzy thing at like the tip so that it's like super soft on your lips, I guess. So I'm excited to see how this looks on me and kind of see the color. So I'm excited to try this. I'll most likely wear it on the next video, so I'm excited to try that. So the last thing that we have on this little Boxycharm is this. So this is kind of the packaging. It looks really cute. I really like this little colors over here, so I really like that. It is called well, I guess the brand is called Violet Voss. It is called Essentials 2. It is Pro Series and Eyeshadow and Pressed Pigment Palette. So I had to rip it a little bit to open it because I had the hardest time opening this. But we're gonna go in here and see what it looks like. I'm super excited. So definitely watch my latest Unboxycharm video, which was also like my first Boxycharm ever. So this is what it looks like. Let's see what colors are in here. Wow, okay, this is super pretty. I love purple, you guys. Purple has become like my favorite color ever, so I would love to try like eyeshadow for that. I love right off the bat how these colors are very neutral up here, and then the brightest ones, kind of like more standout colors, are at the bottom. So I definitely am so excited to try this, and I think I should try this in a video as well. It looks so pretty, and hopefully these are really nice shades. I've never tried this brand, so we'll see how that turns out. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and also subscribe down below if you haven't already. It would make me so happy. I would love to have you join us and subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have tried any of the products that I mentioned, letting me know how you liked it or if you didn't like it. I would love to know. I am uploading this video earlier in the week rather than Friday, which is my normal upload days, but that is just the case for this week because I really wanted to get this video up for you guys, since I know you guys really enjoy these unboxing charm videos. So there will not be a video this Friday, but of course we have a video today, so it's totally fine. I will be back next week with another video on Friday. I hope you guys are having a beautiful day or night, and I will talk to you next week with another video. Bye guys.